Okay, Miss Sultan, you're back. And I see that you got, well, dad or potential father. Sir, what's your name, sir?
My name is Stephen Pippen.
Mr. Pippen. Okay, you understand why you are here today, right?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Okay, you know I ordered you to have DNA testing done a month ago.
Yes.
And so we can determine child support, what it's going to be in this case. And I don't have anything from the testing center showing that you showed up. So what's going on with that?
Because I didn't take it. I mean, I don't know what she's talking about.
So I order you to do something. This is not about her right now. I order you to do something and you just decide on your own, I'm not going to do it?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think I'm the father, so I don't have to take the DNA.
Mr. Pittman is in hot water as he tries to dodge responsibility, but the judge isn't falling for his excuses. He walked into court unprepared, ignored a DNA test, and even quit his $63,000 a year job, raising serious questions about his motives. Is he deliberately avoiding child support, or does he truly believe he's not the father? Either way, the judge is ready to rule, and the outcome isn't looking good for him. Should he be held accountable? Let's break it all down and uncover the truth.
Well, if you don't think you're the father, wouldn't it make sense to go ahead and take the DNA test?
Yeah, but I mean, it's all this long process. I'm a busy man. I got a lot of stuff on my plate right now, so I don't have time to sit back and
Well, how busy are you? What do you do?
I'm a waiter.
Oh.
And I'm a full-time student.
Oh, okay.
So I don't have time for the games and all this testing, DNA testing, all that. I don't have time for it.
All right, so you work every day as a waiter?
Yes.
Did you bring anything today to show that you're waiting tables? Any type of financial information?
I ain't bring that.
Oh, so you didn't care about that either. So did you bring anything to show that you're enrolled as a full-time student?
Nah, I ain't bring none of that.
So you just came to court unprepared today and you just think I should go along with that, right?
And if that's what you want to call unprepared, yeah.
When did you start working as a waiter?
About 4 months ago.
What did you do 4 months ago?
I had a full-time job working as a consultant.
All right. How much money were you making?
$63,000.
Hold on. How did you say your baby was?
5 months.
5 months. And you just stopped working there 4 months ago?
Yeah, they had some layoffs, and I kind of thought that they were going to start laying some people off, so I decided to go ahead and quit.
So you quit? Mm-hmm. You didn't quit because you figured she was probably going to put you on child support?
Nah, I just...
Are you sure about that? Because it's mighty funny that this child is 5 months old and you just stopped working that job 4 months ago. How much money were you making?
$63,000.
$63,000 a year? And you're making how much as a waiter?
I did it because I'm a student, so I'll probably make around $15 an hour.
Oh, no. You came here to waste my time. You obviously came here to waste...
Miss Olson is back in court, this time with a potential father, Mr. Stephen Pittman. But the judge isn't wasting any time. She immediately presses him on why he ignored last month's court-ordered DNA test. Pittman claims he's too busy and doubts. The child is his, but the judge isn't convinced. The tension in the courtroom is palpable as she prepares to hold him accountable. How will this unfold? Let's dive in and find out.
I am not going to place you on child support for $15 an hour and you just start working a job paying you $63,000 a year. You see how crazy that sounds?
I mean, I think it's crazy that you using my $63,000 income. I don't even work there no more.
You don't have to work there, but it sounds like you intentionally stopped working there because you thought she was going to put you on child support.
No.
So you just disappeared on her?
Because I'm not the father. Like, I don't even know. Like, I'm at work.
But we don't know that you're not the father because I ordered you to go and get DNA testing. So we could have found that out today. But you know what? We don't have to do it. You know why? Because I can deem you the father today because I ordered you to do it and you didn't do it. That's what we're going to do. That's exactly what we're going to do. So, who carries health insurance? Well, never mind. That was a bad question.
Yeah, it's me.
You carry health insurance.
Yes,
How much is it?
$750.
$750. Does that include you and the child?
Yes, it does.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is split that in half. Because child support, his obligation, he's only responsible to pay health insurance for the child only. Okay? So based on $63,000 a year, I have your monthly gross at $5,250. That brings your net to $4,226.99. How many other children you have? No other children?
No other children.
Well, I hope not. I hope you're not ghosting on them either, because that's exactly what you did to her. So I have your monthly child support obligation at $845 plus $375, which is half of that $750 for health insurance for the child. Your monthly obligation is $1,220.
Mr. Pittman's excuses aren't holding up. He openly admits to skipping the DNA test, blaming his packed schedule as a waiter and full-time student. But when the judge asks for proof of his job or school enrollment, he comes up empty-handed. Things only get worse when it's revealed that he willingly walked away from a $63,000 a year job just 4 months ago. The judge isn't fooled and sees right through his story.
And I'm ordering you to do that. And you don't have any control over that, because that goes through a state agency and it'll just
I'll
withhold
just
from you.
go ahead and just submit my W-2s whenever I get them. I'll come back.
Oh, okay, that's fine. But today, this is what we're doing. Since you came in here unprepared and not caring about anything, you don't care about that $1,220 either then, right?
Okay, I guess so. But we'll get up there. I'm not tripping.
Okay, well, we can do that at a later date. Do you have any other questions?
No, I don't got no questions.
Okay, do you have any other questions? Okay.
The judge doesn't mince words, calling out Mr. Pittman for what appears to be a deliberate attempt to dodge financial responsibility. Despite his claims of juggling work and school, she bases his child support payments on his former $63,000 salary. He's now on the hook for $1,220 a month, plus half of the child's health insurance. And since he refused to take the court-ordered DNA test, the ruling is final. He's legally declared the father by default. Mr. Pittman isn't pleased, but the judge wastes no time shutting down his complaints. She firmly reminds him that court orders aren't suggestions, and that a child's well-being takes priority over personal struggles. As the case comes to a close, one lesson is clear. Parenting is about responsibility, not avoidance. With a final ruling, she drives the message home. Financial support is crucial, and every choice shapes a child's future. If you know someone facing a similar situation, share this story, because accountability matters.